Hello everyone, and in this series I will introduce you about Chinese language and the basics of it and learning it from scratch. So this is day one where I have no knowledge about Chinese at all, and we are going to learn together about greetings, your name, numbers and food. So let's start and dive into the course. Okay, and there we go. I have opened Duolingo because that's currently the app that I know. So if you know any other great ways of learning Mandarin from scratch, please let them know in the comments below. And we will go through the greetings, the numbers, the names, and maybe some greetings again. So let's start from the beginning and see how well I even remember anything of this Mandarin Chinese language. Let's do a hard practice. 在. Oh man, remembering the characters is so hard. 好
好
好
见
见 在
在好
好 见 见
在电亮见
见 It's always the fourth one. 你好 And I keep trying to repeat yourself when you do this. It's better to learn it in that way. But especially with Mandarin, so much is about pronunciation and about the tones, which is hard.
见好在
好
好 Good.
在
在
见
见
好
你
好
好
你好
你好好
好
再见
再见 Goodbye 再见 Goodbye 好 Oh no hello 你好
你好
好
好好再见
再见再见
再见再见再见
你好
你好 Yes, that still did go quite well. So let's move on quickly to numbers now in the flow. Hard practice.
四
四
九
四 is a 10. 四九
九
nine
三
sun 3 you remember the 3 stripes sun
五
五 5
五百
百
三
sun
三
3
五
五 5九
七
七 that's 10九
九
九 9
九
九 9百 100百
百六
六 6
零
零 0
百
百 100
四
四 7 no 4 I believe
二
two stripes san e 1 stripe 2 stripes san 3 stripes 四
四
I think it's 4
百
百
元
元
十
10
五
5
九
九 9九五
五
1一三 3
三
is san
三
零
零 0 right 101 in Taipei is the 101 101 101
一
零
零 That was an easy one for the hard practice. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Or something like that. So let's go quickly into the names. Hard practice again. I'm in the flow now. Loading, loading, loading.
名
名
名
M
么
M
字
Z. Oh, I thought I was in the flow. 我
我
I 我字
字么
么叫
名呢叫
叫
李
李姓 last name 姓
张姓
姓 that's last name 姓
叫
叫
李
李
姓
姓名
名
你
好在
在
叫
叫
我
见
见你叫张华
你叫双华你 your name is 张华
名
名
字
字
我
我
叫
叫
么
么
你叫李明，
你叫 your name is
你叫李明，
李明
你叫张明，
你叫张明
你叫张明
your 你叫张明你叫张明 you are 张明
字
字Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's going well. I'm in the flow, I'm in the flow. Let's go to greetings. Last greetings round. My last name is also Li. 我
也
yeah.
姓李，
我也姓李. My last name is also Li. I'm pleased to meet you.
很
认识
认识
你很高兴 So我也姓李 So my last name is Li 认识 know 你 you 很 very 高兴 like happy
你很高兴我也很高兴
你很高兴 你很高兴 You are happy 我也很高兴 I am also happy Hello 你好
你好，
I'm pleased to meet you
你我
I'm pleased to meet you too 我也很高兴认识你
你好我也很高兴认识你
Hello 你好
你好我也很高兴认识你
Hello I am also pleased to meet you
我认识你你叫王华
我认识你 I know you
我认识你你叫王华
Your name is 王华
许高
高
高也
也 高
叫李高
高 Why can't I never select it once? Right. Characters,
很
characters. 很 I just select this one.
么很
很
高
高时
任
人也是
很
高
任
也
任
高
任很也
Oh, yes, that didn't go too bad for someone that didn't practice Mandarin for a while. So I'm glad to pick this up. You can join me on my journey by subscribing, and if you know any tools to learn Mandarin even better, any other programs I need to check out, then leave them down in the comments below and we will practice it together, and hopefully at some point we can speak Mandarin fluently. But what a dream would that be? So, see you next time.